Front page. This page acts as first impression, helping participants to understand the scope of the training and facilitate a smooth transition into learning experience, and also designed from front page to enhance the clarity, engagement, and overall effectiveness of the training program. In the front page includes po dito yung titles, pictures, sectors, qualification title, unit of competency, and the module title. Pictures, a picture that shows the action of competency with TESDA and indicate din po namin yung logo po ng school natin. Sectors, yung sector po namin is tourism sector, hotel and restaurant. Qualification title, bread and pastry production NC2. The title of the qualification as started in the training regulation po na nakuha po namin sa CBC. Unit of competency, observed workplace hygiene procedure. Yung unit of competency started in CBC. Module title, observing workplace hygiene procedure. The unit competency stated with the verb in the present participle using ing form. Name of school, Marikina Polytechnic College.
How to use these competency-based learning materials. This is the page that give instructions on how the CBLM materials is used in the training, and here the examples. So ayan po, nakikita niyo po, ayan po yung sample ng learning materials namin. And dito naman po sa mga reminders niya, number 1 is work through all the information and complete the activities in each section. Dapat dito, minimake sure nyo muna, you go through everything given and finish all the tasks in each part. Then sa number 2 is read information sheets and complete the self-check. Dito, read the sheets with information and then test yourself with the question at the end. And number 3, your trainer might be also your boss kasi they are there to help and teach you how to do things right. The person teaching you might also be the one in the charge. They here to assist you and show you the correct way paano gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. So and number 4 naman, you will get lost of chances to ask question and practice while working. Practice your skills during regular shifts to get better in them. Dapat you have many opportunities to ask question and practice while you are working. So dapat make sure mo na yung time mo during a normal shift, it will help you to get faster and remember things better and feel more confidence dapat. Then, sa list of competency naman, dito sa page na to, makikita yung mga qualification. Dun siya sa title on top of the page. Ayun yung bread and pastry production NC2. And a table follows with the following columns. First column, dito mo makikita yung competency number. The competencies should be numbered as they are arranged in the CBC. Kasi sa CBC namin siya nakuha. So, then, unit of competency, dito naman, should be reflected in this column na makikita sa CBC din. And then, module title. The module title is the unit of competency whose verb is in the present participle using ing. Gagamit ka na ng ing, kumbaga, na-form na siya using ing. Then code, dito naman, naka-indicate siya sa CBC and then, ikakopy mo lang siya. Yun po.
Module content, unit of competency. Makikita ito sa CBC. Module title, observing workplace hygiene procedure. Yung observing, naging past participle po siya, kaya naging ing yung dulo. Module descriptor, makikita rin sa CBC. Yung nominal duration po ng aming competency is 4 hours. Meron din po siyang 2 LO. LO1, follow hygiene procedure. LO2, identify and present hygiene risk. Assessment criteria, sinunod lang po siya sa kung ano meron sa LO po namin.
Yung learning content, kinuha to doon sa mismong performance criteria sa CBC. And then yung assessment criteria, kinuha din ito sa CBC. While the condition, kailangan siya kung paano mo papatakbuhin yung flow ng mismong discussion. And then sa assessment method, kung paano mo i-deliver sa estudyante mo yung pagtuturo or yung strategy na gusto mo.
In learning experience, this page has the learning outcome number and title and a table of all the activities for presentation, practice, and feedback for trainee can undergo for him to attend the required competence. Special instructions are provided for the trainees to provide directions on the following. First, what training materials to secure. Second, where to secure or access instructional materials. Third, information sheets, operation sheets, task sheets, and self-check to be used. Last, recommended sequence of activities.
Info sheet 2.1-1, following hygiene procedure. This info sheet is nakuha natin sa Google and connected siya sa topic natin sa pag-proper hand washing and others. And sunod naman is self-check with answer key. And makikita natin kung ano yung mga natutunan ng estudyante. Job sheet naman, gagawin po nila, i-demonstrate po nila ang proper hand washing po. Sa next na info sheet namin ay ganoon din lamang po ang ginawa namin sa 2.1-1 hanggang sa 2.2-3.